Have you ever hit that point in your day where your brain just feels stuck? The focus you had in the morning is gone. The words are harder to find, and a heavy, sluggish feeling of brain fog starts to set in. In those moments, we need a reset. We need a simple, quick, and natural brain fog treatment that can cut through the noise and bring back our clarity without the jitters of another cup of coffee. Today, I want to share my personal secret weapon for those moments. This is the simple 5-minute ginger tea ritual that I use to reset my mind, and the incredible science behind why this ancient root is so powerful for our brain health. Ginger is so much more than just a spice for cooking. It has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine as a powerful healing agent. And modern science is now beginning to confirm what ancient healers knew all along. Ginger is a true powerhouse for the brain. The reason lies in its active compounds, especially one called gingerol. Think of gingerol as a combination of a bodyguard and a firefighter for your brain cells. As a bodyguard, it has powerful neuroprotective properties. As incredible research has shown, studies from the National Institutes of Health suggest that ginger can help protect our brain cells from damage and the oxidative stress, that internal rust, that contributes to cognitive decline. As a firefighter, gingerol is a potent anti-inflammatory. It helps to calm that low-grade neuroinflammation that is so often the root cause of that foggy feeling. By reducing inflammation, you are creating a clearer, calmer environment for your brain to think. But here is the most exciting piece of research, and it speaks directly to us. A study was conducted specifically on healthy middle-aged women, and the results were astounding. The women who took a ginger supplement showed significantly enhanced cognitive function. They had better working memory and quicker reaction times. This is not just a theory. It is a proven benefit for our demographic. So, how do we get these incredible benefits in a simple, delicious way? Here is my 5-minute ginger tea reset recipe. The key here is to use fresh ginger root. The dry powder is good, but the fresh root contains the highest concentration of those powerful active compounds. First, you'll take about a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. You don't even need to peel it. Just give it a good wash. Slice it into a few thin coin-sized pieces. Second, place those ginger slices into your favorite mug. You can also add a slice of fresh lemon for a boost of vitamin C, which is another great antioxidant for the brain. And third, pour hot boiled water over the ginger and lemon. But here is the number one mistake to avoid. Do not boil the ginger in the water on the stove for a long time. Overboiling can destroy some of the delicate compounds. The best method is to simply let it steep in the hot water, like a normal tea, for about 5 to 10 minutes. After it has steeped, you can add a small spoonful of raw honey if you like. Stir it, find a quiet corner, and just enjoy it. This is more than just a cup of tea. It is a mindful ritual. As you drink it, I want you to notice the spicy, warming aroma. Notice the warmth of the mug in your hands. Notice the gentle, warming feeling as you drink it. This simple act of paying attention is a mindfulness practice in itself, and it will help to ground you in the present moment. For me, this 5-minute reset is my go-to when I feel that afternoon slump begin. It feels like a gentle, warm wake-up call for my brain. It clears the fog and allows me to finish my day with a feeling of calm, sustained focus. I truly hope this simple and delicious ritual can become a powerful tool in your own toolkit for fighting brain fog. But if you're also looking for more simple habits to clear the fog, you can get my free guide, 8 objects in your home that are causing you headaches, insomnia, and brain fog. It walks you through the simple steps to create a calmer home environment to support your mind. And if you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend watching my video on the cinnamon trick, which is the perfect companion for this one. I'll link it for you on the screen and in the description. Thank you for being here, and taking this step for your brain health. Be well, and I'll see you in the next video.